Yes, we are at 99.6 miles on the CBR, and I think you guys are gonna join me on the ride to 100 miles, my first 100 miles. So that's awesome. Probably should have put a sweat jacket on under my coat because it's a little nip, but hey, it's all good. So today I wanted to talk about, wow, we're getting there fast. I think we're gonna be at 100 before we get to the stoplight, y'all. 100 miles, yes, we are there. We have arrived. And so I'm gonna do a video on my first 100 miles, my experience with this motorcycle, and kind of just let you guys know what I feel about it. I'm really enjoying it. Oh yeah. So a couple days ago I did a video on the CF Moto, the new line of motorcycles that are coming to the United States. I think it's gonna be awesome to see, just another set of motorcycles hitting the States. So I think that's good for us. It gives more people the opportunity to get on two wheels. And so I think that's going to be a positive thing for us as we move forward with that motorcycle brand. So that's good. And like I said, I'm trying to get, I've been calling a couple places to see if I can get in to maybe take a look at one and see what that looks like. Hopefully that might be something that at least take a look at it. I don't need to drive one or ride one because I know they don't do that too much, but it would be nice to be able to get out and at least check one out. Let's not make this left turn in front of you, boy. Appreciate it. It is about, 60 degrees today. And man, I'm just glad to be able to get out and ride, man. Super pissed. All this footage, this recording, rolled for like 40 minutes, and I got home, looked at the footage, good footage, but the audio was plagued with those pops. So my apologies. So I will be completing this with a voiceover. It's one of those things where I did figure out how to fix it. It was the wind noise detection on the GoPro settings. You have to turn that off to prevent the popping from occurring once you get them out, faster speed. So that will be corrected going forward. But thanks for your patience as we work through that. I know some of you are watching this channel because you're either shopping for a Honda ADV 150 or you're shopping for a CBR500R or something in the CBR line, or scooter or things like that. So one of the best things for me when I'm shopping for something, it could be a car, it could be a new phone or things like that, or a motorcycle, is doing the research. And YouTube for me is the best place to do research about your next purchase, especially things like phones or products or riding gear, for example, whatever, cars. So that's my favorite thing. So I will tell you, when I started my research we'll start with the Honda ADV. When I started my research on with the Honda ADV, I didn't know what type of scooter. I knew I wanted a scooter, but I didn't know what kind. So there are a lot of YouTubers out there that focused on scooters. So Scooter Newbie's one. She has great content, and I always learn a lot watching her videos. Trekopolis, he has the Honda ADV 150. At that time, he had the only U.S. Honda ADV 150 channel that had a ton of content on it. So I binge watched his videos. Nem, that's my buddy I did the Garage Time 2 with. His video that he did on the Forza 350 was the video that I watched when that kind of was like, let me start looking into this type of scooter. So big shout out to all you guys. Oh, and also Ramen on Wheels. When I was shopping for a scooter, I loved binge watching her channel as well. I even tried to get my wife to start watching those videos so she might want to ride one day, but she declined. Now, when it comes to the Honda CBR500, when I was shopping for this, I was cross-shopping the Ninja 400. I looked at the G310 BMW. I looked at the Ninja 650. I almost bought a Ninja 650, but the insurance. And also the CBR 650. That one was really close, but I just couldn't justify the insurance payments on it. But when I was doing my research on the Honda CBR500, Mike Check Moto, he has the content, mods, Moto-vlogs, pretty much anything that you can think of, he's covered it on this bike. And especially in a landscape where there's not that much out there regarding the Honda CBR500R, that channel, I still reference it to look for how-tos and things like that. So if you get a chance, check out his channel. It's a ton of information. For CBR content, CBR500 content, Crumbs on Twos has some great videos. There's a lot of great content out there. You just gotta dig for it on the CBR500R. And the Honda ADV, I'm starting to see a lot more videos come out about that bike. So great, that's totally awesome. Also, big shout out to Moto Hound. Yeah, I've gone back and forth with him many times as far as just his journey as far as riding as well. So like I said, there's a lot of great content out there, and I just like to be able to reference those that I looked at when starting off riding, and also starting off with my bikes, ADV 150 and the CBR 500R. And I got this idea, I seen this on one of Mike Check Moto's videos as far as doing a shout out, so wanted to give credit where credit was due. Some new channels that I've been watching, SoCal Rider B, great videos. He's got a Kawasaki Ninja 400. His content is awesome, and channel starting up. Also the Carnivals, I've been watching some of those videos. What else? We have who else? Oh, Cowie Dreams. He's got a new Honda CBR 1000. Yeah, man, there's just a lot that's out there. And again, I know I'm missing Jeff Williams, he's another one that I recently started watching as well. Man, the list could go on. I'm sure I'm going to make another um, video like this. But it's definitely fun to watch these videos. Sometimes I probably spend too much time watching the videos. And also, Tiffany Renee, she's a Harley rider. Yeah, there's a lot out there. A lot of great content. So that's it for now. I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace. Y'all be blessed.